How to use Google Ads Keyword Planner for free. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use Google Ads Keyword Planner for free. Before we can do this, we need to make sure you have a Google Ads account. If you do not have a Google Ads account, please make sure you create one before starting on this. Once you've done that, then you can use the Keyword Planner. Here you have the overview of the Google Ads site. And what you want to do is you want to go up here, click on Tools and Settings, and on the left you see Keyword Planner. Click on that. Then we want to click on Discover New Keywords. So we can do two things here. If you click on Start with a website, you can enter a website and Google can help you find keywords matching that website. Now we're going to start with keywords. Let's see, here you can put in keywords that you want to look for. Let's say website design. Before you click on Get Results, you want to make sure that you're in the right area, right language, and here the area. I'm gonna delete this one, and we're clicking on United States. Click on Save. So we've got web design, English language, United States. Now we're going to click on Get Results. Here you have used your Keywords Planner for free. There are more things to do. It gives you a list of different kinds of keywords. Maybe you find some keywords you didn't have thought of before. And this one on the right here is a nice feature. Here you can filter down platforms. Let's say I want to use Shopify and WordPress, the brands. That's all. And then website. Let's say we skip this one. And for others, portfolio. Well, you can see it and you can play with it a little bit. So you've entered website design. And now you also can find maybe web design, website development. This is from the last year, so that will be good. Starts from the last year. And here you can find different kinds of keywords. Another cool feature is you can select multiple keywords. Let's say we take a few of these. And here you can add it to a new ad group, give it a name. You can link it with an existing campaign. And here you can add the keywords to a plan. As you can see here in status, it is saved. And one cool feature, another one is on the right top here. You can download all the keywords or maybe the selected keywords. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.